Hello, today we will guide you through how to use focus mode in Zoom to hide participants. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access the main home screen. If Zoom takes a moment to launch, just wait until all the meeting options appear clearly on screen. Once you are on the main Zoom screen, choose how you want to enter a meeting. If you are simply testing this feature for yourself, click New Meeting to start a demo meeting. If you are planning to use this in an actual session, you can click Join Meeting instead and enter the meeting you want to use. This gives you flexibility, depending on whether you are practicing or already working in a live Zoom environment. After selecting your meeting type, click Start. This will launch the meeting window and take you into the active Zoom session. At this point, Zoom may adjust your camera, microphone, or display layout automatically, so give it a second to settle before moving on. Once you are inside the meeting, stay on the main meeting screen. This is where you will make the display change that helps reduce visual clutter. Hiding participants who do not have their video turned on can make the meeting view cleaner and easier to focus on, especially in larger calls. Next, move your mouse toward the top right area of the Zoom window, where you will usually see the speaker view or gallery view option. Hovering your mouse in this area will reveal the controls connected to how participants are displayed. If you do not immediately see the option, move your cursor slowly and give Zoom a moment to show the menu controls. From there, click on Hide Non-Video Participants. This will remove participants who have their cameras turned off from your visible meeting layout. It is a useful setting when you want to focus only on the people who are actively on video, without extra name tiles filling the screen. Keep in mind that this changes the way the meeting appears on your screen, helping you create a cleaner viewing experience. If needed later, you can return to the same area and adjust the display again. And that is how to use focus mode in Zoom to hide participants. Following these steps can help make your Zoom meetings feel more organized, especially when many attendees are present, but only a few are on camera.